Okay guys, good morning. We are in TJ Maxx today, and my daughter said I should talk a little louder in my video, so I'm gonna try my best. I don't want anybody to look at me like I'm crazy. And this is all the skincare items here, and like always I'm looking for something for my skin. I need to get more into doing that, so I'm gonna look here and show you guys what I see that I might like. First thing I saw is this aloe vera thing here. It's a cleansing foam, but it's in Chinese. So, and it's $3.99. I don't think I'll get that one, but I need something like that. And I have so many face masks that I don't need another face mask. So, I'm gonna show you guys some of their stuff. But most of that I see is like face serums or gold plated stuff. So look at this one. This is detox clay mask. I think I have one of these already, but I'm not going to do it. And what I'm really looking for in here is two things. I'm looking for that mirror that my daughter got the last time, and now I can't find it. So they have them, but they're more, they cost more because they play music. Let me take you guys over to the clearance section. This is their clearance section here. And let's see this. Just say wrinkle therapy perfecting toner. It's just like right to that. Right there is not that much in it. It's $5.50. I'm not interested in that because like half of it got leaked out. I don't see anything here. Oh, what is this? This says this is coconut and pineapple for 7. Oh, this is deodorant. So nothing here. Let's move on. Hold on. This right here is a herbal garden fragrance, and it's on sale for $12. Okay, let's go to the makeup section. It's a Becca for $10 for this one. A lot of sponges I don't need. And here's another makeup section here. My daughter said I don't need no more makeup, and I'm kind of agreeing with her. Okay, here is a mirror. Vanity LED light mirror. Oh, it's on sale too, guys. It's on sale for $6. I have to open it up and look at it and wait till my daughter come out here with a cart. But I'm gonna hold on to this right here. They just opened it. It's not that much people in here. And this is Becca 2-in-1. I don't know, I guess it's with Christy Teigen, and it's for $14. Got that on sale. And what else? What is this? Traveling cube. I guess it folds up like that. Oh, that's nice. See that? And it's for $8. I'm gonna show this to my daughter too, because she's going on a cruise this year and I'm not. What is this? It's a hair dryer. Oh, this is nice. This is Crabtree and Evelyn Party Night. Which is this? 18. That's what comes in here, and it's $18. It was what, 20? It's not worth it. Sophia Party. and it's for $4. Let's see what's inside of this for $4. Sorry, I'm shaking. And that's what comes in it for the $4. Okay, now I know I said I was gonna buy any more sponges, but look at this. You get 3 sponges in here and it's for $4.50. So I'm gonna get this. I don't need any more sponges, but this was hyaluronic. Okay guys, we're in the pocketbook section, crossbody section. That's okay. Got DKNY. I don't know what brand that is. These are their watch section. I'm not getting no wallets. I have too much already. You looking at a purse? Go look at this.
That's cute.
This is wait. It's the handle. Look at this, guys. Isn't this cute? It's on sale for $26. This is like metal. This is also nice. And it's $19.99. All my cat lovers, Betsy Johnson. And it's nice, and it's $14.99. And this one, oh, this is not. Oh, this is nice. With like all black, just like the bag talk. Yeah, this is nice. I like it. This one is nice too. $19.99. Okay guys, so we're in their clearance section, and this here says congratulations on your wedding day, and it's a bag, and it's only $2, and just say happy wedding. I don't know anybody that's getting married. So they have this pineapple here. It's real cute. I was gonna get it, but my daughter showed me that it's chipped, so I'm gonna leave that alone. That mirror right there, I like it, but it's not on sale. Somebody put it in the wrong place. And then this one say, it is well with my soul. I like that. I try to let everything be well with mine. And this is the clearance section. These are cute. My husband and grandma do those. And also that one over there. They have some books also in this section. Like that. Then that big one say Home Sweet Home. And then on the back wall, these are all flowers. They're here from my last TJ Maxx walkthrough, so nothing has changed on the flower department. Like nobody's willing to pay that much for those, so yeah, that's the bottom section. Like that. And she found, but they're not on sale. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. Oh, sorry, boobs. Wanna be me check on here? Okay, so here are the other pineapples from the last one, and they're $12. But I like this. This is cute. And it's Tommy Bahama. It's a jewelry case. And here's the smallest one. And then this one is also cute. So people be walking looking at you